for you! Welcome back, I'm Captain Xavier, and I am a shameless fan of getting free stuff. And it's really neat when the folks that are sending me free stuff apparently start to actually pay attention and figure out the kind of things that I like. Because NFStrike reached out to me and offered me these items. I didn't actually have to ask for these, and they sent me items that are... Well, one of them is obviously absolutely perfect for me, and the other two are ones that I've done videos on similar things, so it makes sense. They asked me if I would be interested in a set of metal Stampede gears, and gosh, was I ever. And this is an absolutely fantastic kit. The one I was sent previously, I was not terribly impressed with the actual gears. They were not very sharp. It looked like you would need to do a lot of filing to get them to work really well. These are absolutely fantastic. The teeth are sharp, they interact with each other perfectly, and I cannot wait to actually put these in something. And I know what you're all thinking, are you going to put them in ire? No, I am not going to put these in ire because ire does not need them. Ire functions perfectly well the way she is with the gears that she has and the spring load that she has. These I plan to use to build a new Stampede, one designed for wars instead of HVZ. The reason I've never looked into metal gears for ire was because I simply didn't need them. I didn't need to make any ire any more powerful. If I did, she wouldn't be really a good blaster for HVZ anymore. But I wanted to try to build a war-worthy Stampede, just to see if it was possible, you know, metal gears, heavy spring, rewired, and full brass breech. And I was sent a brass breech kit for a Stampede by the Germans, who sent me the coolest stuff, but I still hadn't gotten the gears, and then I did get the gears, and then there were just so many other things going on. But now I have a really nice gear set. It comes with lube, tube grease as well. A couple of parts I'm not sure entirely what they do. I'll have to look up the instructions. But yeah, look forward to a fully maxed out Stampede build in the relatively near future. That should be a lot of fun. Looking forward to that. And if it works out beautifully, I may go ahead and get another set and put it in ire just so I never have to worry about the gears breaking. I don't plan to make ire any more powerful, but it would be nice if I never had to worry about the gears shearing because of a jam or anything. And ire is due to be opened up and get a tune anyway, so we'll look into that. But this one will be going into a new build. The other two items that I have are both Chronos springs. We have a 10 kilogram and a 13 kilogram, as well as 6 O-rings, which I'm not entirely sure why you get 6 O-rings. Again, I'll need to look into that. And I want to do a comparison video of a stock Chronos, the 10 kg Chronos, a 13 kg Chronos, and a K26 Chronos, and see what the difference is as far as range, velocity, hop up, accuracy, all of that sort of thing. So I have acquired a boatload of Chronoses. Chronoxen? I'm going to go with Chronoxen. Pretty sure it's actually Chronos's because it's based on the Greek, but I like Chronoxen because I'm silly. Anyway, that should be a video that I will be doing tomorrow. I may even have a special guest with me for that build, or for those videos. I'm also going to be doing a Nerf sniper comparison video tomorrow using parts that I have been sent by various people to build 3 distinctly different sniper blasters that I'm going to be comparing, which should be a lot of fun. So, stay tuned for that. All the links for these will, of course, be down in the description if you should be interested in buying one of these parts for yourself. Thank you, NFStrike, so much for sending me this, and I'm really looking forward to the next shipment that they're sending me. It's going to be some good stuff. Like I said, they've been watching my channel, apparently, and have gotten to know me and know the kind of stuff that I want. Or they're just guessing. Who knows? Anyway, thank you for watching.